U.K.'s corona vaccine trial breakthrough. A lot of news recently about a resurgence of the war on coronavirus here in the United States. You're starting to hear some politician sugs. We may need another round of lockdowns, at least until the election. But that question may be moot because researchers in the U.K. claim they have developed a viable vaccine for the coronavirus. We turn for details as we always do. The Fox News medical contributor, Dr. Mark Siegel has been following this for us. Dr. Tucker, this is really big news tonight. I am optimistic about this and this Oxford University vaccines of Vinda and Vexi material using of a different kind of a virus from a chimpanzee to bring the payload in. That actually starts the war against the coronavirus. And that's what we're talking about here, Tucker, is a war. But I've never described the war to you this way before. It's a war in the bloodstream, a war of our immune cells fighting a virus. And if a vaccine works, the vaccine causes those immune, cells to be revved up. And the immune cells that we've always talked about are the B cells that make antibodies. We're talking antibodies, antibodies, antibodies. And this vaccine actually does make those antibodies. They studied 1,000 volunteers. Half of them got a meningitis vaccine. The other half got this vaccine. And they found that the people that got this vaccine made the antibodies that we need called neutralizing antibodies to neutralize the virus. But there's a bigger story here, Tucker. It's a cell I never talked about before. It's called a T cell. Those are the real immune warriors against the virus. And they never, of course, get top billing. Right. The T cells. What does a T cell do? First of all, one kind of T cell aids those antibodies in attacking the virus. It's called a helper cell. The other one, the most prodigious, powerful cell in the human body, is a natural killer cell. It deserves the name. It literally attacks the virus and kills it. And you know what they found with this vaccine at 14 days and 28 days, they found an abundance of those antibodies. An abundance of those T cells, a great marker of immunity. We have to see how this goes over this several weeks and months. And now it will be tried in 30,000 people around the world. This is very positive news that we're going to have a working vaccine here, Tucker. The Oxford vaccine with AstraZeneca involved. Very, very, very promising. Wow. And unexpected. Dr. Siegel, thank you for that report. Appreciate it. Follow the science, Tucker, not the politics. The science tonight that has been our view, and yours from the first day. Thanks a lot. Dwayne Maxwell is incarcerated, and a friend says she fears for her life in prison. Why would that be in the